Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. So, the next concept is about our, why, because we already know in last class we already completed some concept about our pointers and functions, and in this class also some important concept about our pointer and function I want to tell here. So, in this case we know that the invoking of function can be done in two ways. The first one is by passing the pointers, by passing the references, and we know that some important note about our when you are going to pass the pointer asterisk and how the argument going to use while declaring and while calling the function here. Now the next concept, that is about our by passing the references. So such the passing the references is also calling as the invoking of or invoking function by passing the references, that is equal to the call by references, pass by references. And before going to tell the program, why, because no any changes, whatever we return our first program like that only, just this slight difference to our second program, that is called as the invoking function by passing the references. So the first thing, the meaning of the references. So in this case, or the call by value, pass by value here. So when calling function call the function, when function is called, the address of actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter in called function using pointers. That means here not just only the argument we are going to pass from calling function to the called function in our call by references, or we can say that pass by references, the argument with the address going to pass from calling function to the called function. So we can say when function is called, the copy of, that means the address of actual argument is passed to the our formal parameter, formal argument in our called function using pointers. So this is called as or known as call by references, pass by references. So the parameter, that means our called function, the parameter that receives the memory address of actual argument is called as the references parameter. So whatever the argument the calling function passed to the called function, argument with the address that is received by our called function here. So calling as the parameter that receive the memory address of the actual argument, that means is called as the references parameter. And laterwards we can say that the value of formal parameter may then change in body of the called function. Now it is the most important note. Why? Because we know that in our by passing call by value, pass by value, maybe the variable going to change, there is no effect in the program, maybe the A, B variables are there, but later what such variable name you are going to change, no any effect here. But in case of the references, whether there is any effect is there in the program, so we can say the value of formal parameter may then change in the body of the called function. Sure, this will affect the actual parameter also. That means the original value of the actual parameter also changes when you are going to change the name of the variable. So this is the concept, or this is the explanation about our references, that is called as the pass by references or call by references, or simply it is called as the invoking function by passing the references. Why? Because we know that what here also we are going to write one simple program for the invoking of function by passing the references. So first thing is the hash include iostream.h, second one is the conio, the header file we need to use, and third one is the io mini for the end line and the set w. And we know that the function going to start by using the main function void main here, then we need to open the flower bracket, and after opening of the flower bracket, first of all we need to declare the function here, and then we are going to call the function. So here we are going to declare the function. So whatever the note I said in function, such note is applying just only to the pointers, that means by passing the pointers here, not for the references. Clear this one? So the void swap, but in case of the references we know that the what's the symbol we are going to use in references, the symbol is the ampersand. Why? Because here not just only the pointer means it going to pass the value of the variables, pointer, the asterisk going to pass the value of the variable, but ampersand going to pass the memory address of the variables. Clear this one here? So just only the references int our ampersand comma int ampersand closing of flower bracket semicolon, this one is called as the declaring a function. But in our first program how I return int pointer x comma int pointer y, like that I return, but here no any that means the memory address here going to write. So just only if you are going to write int ampersand comma int ampersand, it's okay. Clear this point here? And later next one, some value we need to initialize here for a and b variable with their data type. So a value is equal to 10 and b value is equal to 30, and later next one whatever the value we added to the variable a and b, such value going to display on monitor here. So one message the original values here, and after the original value, so such value going to display a value is equal to what's the value of the a 10 here, and the b value is equal to the 30. Maybe if you are using end line, then it going to display in next line. If no end line, it going to display in one line only here. It depends on you. And if you are using end line, then sure you are going to use the header file. Header file is the iomini.h here. And now later next one, why? Because we already declare a function by using the references, then sure we are going to call a function. So how we are going to call a function? Swap a comma b. Why? Because here ampersand no need, we already written the ampersand, but in case of the pointer we return the asterisk symbol. Because of this reason we need to use the ampersand, but here no any use of the ampersand, so directly you can write as the swap opening of the flower bracket here a comma b closing of flower bracket semicolon. This is called as the calling a function here. And after that, why? Because by using calling function, whatever the value we want to display, such one going to write in our calling function. So values after swapping, and later next one the second message going to display as a is equal to and some value and b is equal to y, because we know that we are in the concept of the references. So when you are going to change the value in this case here, why? Because here I use the value a and b, and later words I am going to change the value, the variable name to the x and y. So that means here some changes is there in the name of the variable, then sure it going to interchange the value. A is equal to 30 and b value is equal to 10 here. So gets here, then later opening closing semicolon and closing of the flower bracket. Now whatever we declare the function, such function going to write here by in our called function here. So the function void swap and opening of the bracket here int pointer int ampersand x comma int ampersand y, but no any semicolon. Why? Because it is a syntax of the called function we are going to write. So whatever we are using here, why? Because the variable is a and b, but now I am going to change the name of the variable, that is to the x. So we are going to write why? Because here references going to pass the memory address of the variable. When you are going to pass the memory address of the variable, then the symbol ampersand going to use. So int ampersand x comma int ampersand y, closing of bracket, then opening of the flower bracket here. Then one more variable I need to declare. The name of the variable is the temp by using the data type int here. Now just only it going to make the interchange. Why? Because here while going to read, we are reading as the temp is equal to x, but we know that which value going to assign. That means here the x value is equal to temp here, y value is equal to x here, and temp value going to assign to the container y. Clear this point here? So and later next one, closing of the flower bracket, and finally when it going to display the output, how it going to display? That means the original value, a value is equal to 10, b value is equal to 30. In starting I used the name of the variable a and b, but later words I changed in called function the name of the variable to x and y. Because of this reason, later words after that, after calling a function, it going to make some changes in the value of the variable. So values after swapping, a value is equal to 30 and b value is equal to 10. So this is some of the important note about our function and the pointers here. Why? Because the pointer means here asterisk symbol and references means the ampersand symbol. I think it will be clear, it is clear to everyone about some of the note about our pointer and the functions. Thank you.